You probably think a cheetah is the fastest thing on Earth, but it would look like it was standing still compared to a single bolt of lightning. Today we are comparing a furry hunter from the plains of Africa to a giant spark from the clouds to see who is the true speed king. We are going to break down exactly how fast they both go and why one of them has a speed limit that it can never break. Let's look at the cheetah first because it is a total masterpiece of nature. This cat is built for one thing and one thing only: pure speed. A cheetah can reach 70 miles per hour in just a few heartbeats. That is fast enough to get you a speeding ticket on most highways. Think about that for a second. In just 3 small steps, this cat is already moving faster than your car when you are driving to school or work. To do this, the cheetah uses its long, heavy tail like a rudder on a boat. It swings that tail around to stay balanced while making sharp turns at high speeds. Its nostrils are also huge compared to other cats. It needs to suck in massive amounts of oxygen to keep its muscles firing while it chases down its dinner. Even its claws are special. They do not retract all the way, so they act like track spikes to keep the cat from slipping on the dry grass. But here is the big problem. The cheetah is like a phone battery that drains in 10 seconds. It gets so hot while running that its brain could actually cook. If it runs for more than 30 seconds, it has to stop. It sits there panting and exhausted, which is the perfect time for a lion to come and steal its food. Now let's bring in the thunderbolt. When you see a flash in the sky, you are watching something that defies everything we know about land animals. A bolt of lightning isn't just one single line of light. It starts with something called a stepped leader that moves down from the clouds in tiny jumps. Once that leader touches the ground, the real show starts. A return stroke of energy shoots back up at about 200,000 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, a cheetah is moving at about 100 feet per second. Lightning is moving at thousands of miles every single second. If a cheetah tried to race a lightning bolt across the entire country, the lightning would finish before the cheetah's brain even realized the race started. Why is there such a huge gap? It comes down to what they are made of. The cheetah is made of meat, water, and heavy bone. Meat has weight and muscles have to contract and relax. Bones can only take so much pressure before they snap like dry sticks under the stress. Lightning doesn't have those problems because it is made of electrons. It is pure electricity ripping through the air at impossible speeds. Lightning is also 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. That heat is what makes the air expand so fast that it creates the loud boom we call thunder. So, is there any real competition? Not really. The cheetah is the fastest thing on legs, but the thunderbolt is the fastest thing most humans will ever see. Even the fastest man alive, Usain Bolt, would look like a turtle compared to the cheetah, and the cheetah looks like a snail compared to the lightning. Nature has different levels of speed. There is biological speed, which has limits, and then there is the speed of physics, which is on a whole different level. One is a beautiful predator trying to survive in the Serengeti. The other is a massive discharge of energy trying to balance the electricity in our sky. They both represent the extreme edge of what is possible. One shows us how fast life can be, and the other shows us how fast the universe can move. Did you like the video? Subscribe for more.